I once said that I would bring change to AAW, that I would usher in a new era, that I would bring the light. Now, I'd like to stand here and tell you that I was a fool, to tell you that I was disillusioned, but actually, I was right all along. AAW needs something different. It's been vying for it for a long time. People are just not interested in the same old story. They want something unique, something different, and something relatable. That is why there are no good guys. There are no bad guys. We live in a world where you hail the villains and you disregard the ones that do right. I felt that. You all betrayed me when I needed you most. And that came as a burden. And it came as a realization that actually the only person that I needed to rely upon was myself. Now, I brought pain like no other has seen. And you felt it. You felt your hero get mauled by my hand as I handed him his prize possession, his championship, and then blindsided him from behind. You felt his pain. You felt the pain of Yosef Diver when he thought he could get the better hand of Jester. You felt the pain of every single person that you love fall to nefarious means, to fall to things that you can't control. But there is one thing you can control: pain. And I will bring more pain to AAW Fallout than you have ever seen in your entire life. You will feel the dismay of Kano losing his AAW championship. That is a promise. Now, whether I take that championship or not, we will see. But there is one thing that will remain in the hearts of everyone that faces me inside that chamber. Pain. Long live the profligate. Long live Mercer. Black.